Hey guys, how's it going? Cassie here from Passive Partial Online Income. And today's video is going to be a very important topic where I'm going to be sharing with you guys the important reasons for which you guys need to protect yourself, your family, and your business. I urge you guys to watch the video all the way till the end, okay, because I'm going to be sharing some really important points and also share my experience from my personal life, okay. With that being said, I'll see you guys right after the intro. Welcome back. As I was saying earlier, today's video is going to be all about the ways or reasons to protect yourself, your life, your family, and your business. Okay, now what exactly am I trying to refer to all of this? Well, the topic for today, guys, is going to be about protection and insurance policies, which is very important for you guys to take, okay, or get yourselves enrolled into. Now, apparently, I came across few good insurance companies that had given me offers to secure my business, okay, initially. However, I was a bit skeptical because now this is something which I really want to, reiterate on the importance of doing research and, educating oneself. Because based on my past experiences with some of my friends who had taken such insurance policies, most of them didn't have really good experiences, because whenever it came for time for them to make the claims, they had to go through those long waiting periods in order to get their premiums redeemed or covered. It was a harrowing experience for all of them, and this was one main reason which kind of discouraged me of enrolling myself into these policies. And then I was just focusing on developing my businesses, upscaling my businesses, and also reinforcing my investors' portfolio. However, in these last few years, after establishing my businesses and my investment portfolio, I started thinking of those unpredictable, let's say, stages or phases of my life, which, let's say, God forbid, if tomorrow my businesses had to, shut down, or I had to liquidate my companies. Let's say I didn't have anything. Who exactly is going to be looking out for my family, and my employees? And when I started looking into all these aspects, that was the time I realized the importance of having a proper business insurance policy or having a proper business protection plan. I started by taking the protection plan for myself first, okay, so that my family can be protected. Let's say tomorrow, God forbid, something happens to me, at least my mom will be looked after. My mom can be taken care of. She need not worry about the expenses or her standard of living or whatsoever. Similarly, I also made sure that my business gets protected, so that tomorrow, if let's say we have to go through some sort of financial crunch, or the market situation is really bad wherein it kind of affects our business cash flow, at least my employees' salaries are covered, my lifestyle is being taken care of. So all these things were very important for me to look into, and that was one main reason why I decided to insure my business as well. So I took the protection and insurance policies for myself, my family, and also my business. Now let me talk about the three most important reasons why I want you guys to consider this. Point number one, okay, it's the unpredictable nature of business. Now guys, if you are an entrepreneur, you all know that making a consistent stream of income isn't something that you guys should be taking for granted. All right, you may have, let's say, 3 months, 6 months, or 8 months where you may be making consistent stream of cash flow, or maybe let's say your income would be consistent enough. However, what if you had to encounter a challenging, or let's say your business or your investment that you have put your money into goes to a debacle? What are you going to do? Have you guys ever thought about it? Do you have a backup plan? Yeah, maybe you would say that, yeah, you've got 3 or 6 months worth of savings, saved up in your savings account. But what happens after that? Have you guys thought about it? Well, it's high time for you guys to start thinking about it, because if you could take an insurance policy where you make regular monthly payments, come what may, financial crisis, market crunch, whatever it is, at least your business is protected. At least you can ensure that your employee salaries are being paid on time. Your lifestyle is being taken care of. Now that is one, the unpredictable nature or environment of businesses. Point number two, the unpredictable nature of our lives. All right, we all live in a stressful environment. All right, as entrepreneurs, we all know that we have to go through lots of challenges. We all have to go through lots of stressful factors and environment, okay, wherein we are challenging problems, we are solving problems. So up to a certain extent, it does kind of take a toll on you, right? What if you get a heart attack, you're hospitalized, okay? Who's gonna be looking after you? Yeah, you would say that, well, you've got enough cash flow to look after your medical treatments and so on. But what if it's gonna be something really, really serious? What if you're gonna be physically handicapped? What if you've been diagnosed of some kind of a cancer? Who's gonna cover your chemotherapy sessions? Who's gonna take care of your medical expenses? Have you thought about all these things? If not, it's high time for you guys to start thinking about it. Okay, and lastly, the third most important point that I want to be covering is the security and safety nest for your family. Guys, I don't need to say this, but if you are someone who's very responsible and someone that really, really cares for your loved ones, then I strongly urge you guys to take a protection and insurance policy for your family. Because let's say tomorrow, God forbid, you're not in this world anymore. Who's going to look after your family? Have you thought about it? So I strongly urge you guys to get enrolled in an insurance and protection policy. Do your research. Okay, now there is a company with which I have decided to shake hands and do business with, and I'm going to be putting the link in the description below. It's called Zurich Futura. Zurich is the name of the company actually. They're based in Switzerland, and they've got a very strong history of taking care of their clientele, and I strongly urge you guys to check out and do research with that particular company. And if required, if you do have any questions, do send me an email. I'm gonna put my email address right below in the description section. But guys, it's high time to start thinking about it. Okay, now there could be some really, really good insurance company in your respective countries too. No matter what the insurance company is, do your due diligence. Make sure that the company with which you're investing your money has been in the market, has a very good reputation, and has been in the business for at least a minimum of 5 years. Okay, any company that's less than 5 years, it's not a good idea to do business with. That's really, really risky. So hope you guys enjoyed this video about business insurance, a video about protection, claims and policies, and a video about basically securing your life and your family's lives. If you do have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. And if you'd like to know, let's say, anything more about such insurance policies, do put it in the comment section, and I'll do my best to do some more research and give you guys with the relevant information. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And lastly, before concluding this video, if you guys are thinking of getting started with an online business, you still aren't sure, you guys aren't making any kind of money online or offline, get started with a self-publishing business, guys. I have the most complete course, the best in the market, which is called the Elite Publishing Dynamics. The link is going to be provided below. Get enrolled, check it out, and partner with me and my business partner, Jacob Rothenberg, and let's help you guys make some real money. Okay, till then, you guys take care. God bless. Goodbye.